guys, welcome back to my another video. So this video is going to be my English vlog where I will describe my view, describe my thoughts, and I also as usual I will also share my view from here. So guys, I am standing on the edge of the field and I just came with my younger sister, and I think you may can uh, listen the blowing of water because I am just standing over the streams of water. Streams of water means through which water is blowing down. So here there is a soft breeze blowing, and that touches my body, touches my skin, and yes, I feel so much refreshed and cool. So here, as you can see behind me, there are many fields, and sowing has not started yet. And this is today is 6th June, and this is a monsoon season. I can say, and this is pre-monsoon season actually. And in this month, this is a very special part of the year because in this month, monsoon season starts, and here little bit of water is raining, and yes, I am also waiting, but yes, I am came here with my younger sister to make a vlog, so I'll make video anyhow. So here, let's step forward and see. So as you can see behind me, there are very greenery behind me. Some trees and some plants are has grown. So and at my ground there are some bushes and some grasses and some weeds are there, and I'm walking through the walking trail, uh, which uh, which leads to a mini plateau. And yeah, uh, it was raining little much, but now it is raining that much not. It is raining slowly right now. So now I am walking through walking trail. So as you can see view from here, I had means behind me there are many trees and many plants are grown. So yes, and it has been raining for the last 1 week, so that's why yeah, much water has concentrated on the fields. So yes, that you can see there are some water present on the fields. Yes, and there is a pond actually. There is a pond. Let me show you. Uh, there is a pond actually. There is a pond. I think as you can see here. Let me show you from. Come to nearer of this pond actually. Yes, there is a pond actually. There is a pond, and some people used to bath there, but now I think nobody came here to take a bath. But actually I got mud on my leg actually. I stepped on the that wet mud, that's why. Let wash my leg. Okay, I washed my leg, and just now I'm going because I think rain will not stop. So yeah, so actually this video is a ongoing journey to improve my English, and each and every video is a step forward for me. And through this blog I am not just practicing English, I am developing my skills, I'm developing my confidence, and also I learning things that how I can explain or express myself better. So through this video you people will learn that learn many things, that how we can use words, or how we can construct sentences according to the situation. And it is very important for the people who are on this path, and they can also words, situational words, and they know many vocabulary, but they don't know that how can they use vocabs according to the situation actually. So in the same way, I am using the words depend on the situation. Similarly, you have to do and just practice English like me. And anyhow, you have to practice English, like you have to speak about 5 to 10 minutes every day, and this will help you to improve your English more and more. And you people have to do it anyhow, whether it is raining, whether it is something happens or not, or you people get anything or not. If you don't have a mobile phone, just you have to practice English, and just you have to speak English in front of the mirror, and just you have to boost up your confidence. It is very, very important, because many people have words that can construct a sentence, but they don't have that much positivity, or I can say confidence to speak English in front of the people, because they hesitate, and they that negative thoughts come in their mind. That's why they could not say. So you have to, throughout that negative thoughts, you have to bring your words in your you have to bring your words in your mouth. So because our mouth needs to practice, so anyhow you have to practice more and more. So this is more about it. And now I am going back to my home, because yes, it is raining. So that's all about myself and also my tutorial. So please watch this video till yes, you have watched this video, and if you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll be back soon with another amazing video, with long video next time. Yes, I'll promise. And please take care. And yes, I feel very, very good actually. There is a soft breezing is blowing through my face. So yes, take care and stay connected with this channel, and always stay connected with your roots actually. So please continue to practice, and you will be always wonderful, and you will be one who will speak English one day very fluently and confidently. Bye bye, take care.